Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. So we're working on the book grade 8 maths makes sense, and we're working on the chapter 5, that is percent ratio and rate, and we're going to start with the lesson 5.3, that is solving percent problems, and 5.4, that is sales tax and discount. So let's just start with 5.3 lesson solving percent problems. Okay. Hi, here I am on 5.3, that is solving percent problems. Okay. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. So, use the number line to find each number. Okay, use the number line to find each number. So, you have to use the number line and you have to find the number, right? The first one is 50% of 15. 50% of a number is 15. You have to find the total number, right? You are given the 50% of a number is 15. Hold on, let me just write it down on board. 50% of an, okay, 50% of a number is 15. You have to calculate the total number. Got it? So 15 divided by 50. Got it? Because 15 is 50%. So 15 divided by 50 is 0.3. Got it? This is 50%. You have to calculate the 100% of a number. So multiply 100 times 0.3. 100 times 0.3 is 30. That means if 50% of a number is 15, the number is actually 30, right? The B part is 75 of a number is 12. You have to calculate the total number. Got it? So 75% of a number is 12. Divide 12 over 75. 12 over 75 equals, let me just use calculator, 0.16. Got it? Multiply 0.16 times 100. That means the total, the number is 16, and 75% of the number is 12. Got it? That means the number is 16 and the 75 of the number is 12. Right? Okay, the next one is 30% of a number is 60. Okay, 30 over 60 is 30% of a number is 60. So it would be number is 60 divided by the 30. So it would be 2. Got it? You have to multiply it to the 100. That means the number is 200. Got it? The number is 200 and 30% of the 200 is 60. Okay, you can do D by yourself. Let's just start with question number 4. Find the number in each case. Illustrate each number with a number line. So you have to calculate the number. 25% of a number is 5. You have to calculate the total number. Got it? 25% of a number is 5. Question number 4 it is. 25% of a number is 5. You have to calculate 5 over 25. You have to calculate actually 1%. Got it? So 5 over 25 is 0.2. Now you have to calculate the 100%. So 0.2 times 100 is 20. That means if 25% of a number is 5, that means the 100% of the number is 20, right? You have to make represent it on a number line. So you can represent like this. This is 0 and 100%, and this is just 25%, and it is 5, right? Okay, let's I'm going to do the D part, right? Right, you have to do B and C exactly the same way. 120% of a number is 48. 120% of a number is 48. Okay, so you have to do 40 divided by 120 because you have to calculate 1%. So 40 divided by 120 equals 0.4. Now just multiply it by 100, so it equals 40. That means the number is 40, and 120% of the number is 48, right? Okay, question number 5. Write each increase as a percent. Illustrate each answer with a number line. The elastic band stretched from 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. Like originally it is 5 centimeter. When you stretch, it equals 10 centimeter, right? So you have to illustrate each increase as a percent and illustrate each answer with a number line. So the elastic band stretched from 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. You can represent it as from 5 centimeter to 10 centimeter. That means it is stretched by whole 100%. At 0 it is 5 centimeter. When you stretch, it is at 10 centimeter, like doubled from 5 to 10. That means it is increased by 100%, right? Okay, the next one is The price of a haircut increased from 8 to 12. So before, earlier it was 8, now it was increased by 12, right? So 8 divided by 2 is 2 times 4 is 8. So earlier it was 8, now it is increased by 4. Got it? That means it is increased by 50% and now it is 12. So originally it is 0%, it is at 8, then it is increased by 50%, and that would be 12, right? Okay. Question number 6. Write each decrease as a percent. Illustrate each answer with a number line. Okay, now there are decreases, you have to represent it on the number line. The price of a book decreased from 15 to 12, right? So 15 minus 12 is, originally it was 15. Got it? And 15 minus 12 equals 3. That means the price is decreased by $3. Originally it was, original cost of book is 15, decreased to 12. That means 15 minus 12 equals 3. So it is decreased to by $3. So 3 divided by the original cost, that is 15. So original cost is 0.2. You have to multiply it to the 100. That means the price is decreased by 20%. Got it? The price of the book is decreased by 20%. Okay, the number of a student who take the bus to school decreased by 200 to 150. So earlier the students were 200. Now they are decreased by 150. So 200 minus 150 equals 50, right? So 50 divided by 200 is 1 over 4. That is 25%. When you multiply it by the 0.25, and 0.25 times 100 is 25%. That means students are decreased by 25%. Okay, let's just start with question number 7. Find the whole amount in each case. 15% is 125 gram. Basically, you are given the 15% of something is 125 gram. You have to calculate the original value, right? 15% is 125 gram. 15% of 15% is 125 gram, not of. So it would be 15 over 125. Just calculate 1%, right? So 15 over 125 is, sorry, 15% is 125 gram. You have to do 125 over 15 because you have to calculate 1%. The percent is 15. 125 over 15. That would be 8.3. You have to multiply it with by 100 because that is just 1% of 1% is 8.33. So you have to calculate the 100%, multiply it by the 100, it would be 833.3 grams, right? Okay, let's just start with question number 11. The world's tallest totem pole, known as the Spirit of Liquamen, was raised on 4th August 1994 at Victoria, BC. Prior to the Commonwealth Games, the totem pole stood about 55-meter tall. A local airport was concerned the seaplanes might hit it. So in 1998 it was partially dismantled. It then stood about 12-meter tall. Find a percent decrease by the find a percent decrease in the height of the pole. Okay, originally it was 55-meter. Now it is just 12 meters. You have to calculate the decrease, percent decrease, right? So the height is decreased to 55-meter to 12-meter, right? So meaning that the decrease was 55 minus 12 is 43-meter. That means it is decreased 43-meter, right? So you have to calculate decrease percent 43 by 55. Originally it was 55. Got it? 43 over 55 equals 0.781. This is just 1% multiplied by the 100%. So that equals 778.18%. That means the height is decreased by 78%. Okay, let's just see question number 19. In 1990, the population of Calgary, Alberta was about 693,000. The population increased by about 24% from 1990 to 2000. From 2000 to 2005, the population increased by about 11%. In 2000, about how many people lived in Calgary? B, in 2005, about how many people lived in Calgary? Write the increase in population from 1990 to 2005 as a percent of the 1990 population. Okay. Okay. The population increased by about 24% from 1990 to 2000. Okay. Let's start with question number 13. The 24% increase means it is 124% increase. 100 plus 24, right? 100% population is 693,000. Got it? So you have to calculate 124% of 693,000, right? Hold on. Let me calculate 124 over 100. 1.24 times 693,000. It is 859,320. That means this is the increase in population, right? Okay. Then for the B part is in 2005 about how many? Okay. From 2000 to 2005, the population increased by 11%. This is A part. Now 11%. It is 111%, right? Increased by this value. Just calculate 111% of this value. 859320. Okay, let me just calculate. 1.1.11 times 859320. That is 953845, right? So the population increased to this value. Okay, then for the C part, you have to calculate, I think, what is the increase in population from 1990 to 2005 as a percent of 1990. So you have to calculate from 1999. In 1990, this is the population. So you have to subtract, let's just subtract this from 953845. This is the population in 2000, and this is in 1990. The difference is 260,845. Just calculate the increase in percentage. So you have to divide this by the original value. Got it? That is 260,845 by the original population. This would be 37.64%. That means this is increased by 37%, right? Okay, the D part is your answer in part C 35%? Should the answer be 35%? Explain why or why not. No, the answer in C part is 37.64%. Got it? Why it is 35%? 24% and 11. 24 and 11 make 35. No, we cannot add the percentages. Got it? Because if you add the percentages, it would be just 35%. But you can see it is increased by 37%, right? Okay. Okay, you can complete this lesson by yourself later today. Oof, there are still so many questions, but we have a very short time. I'm going to start 5.4, that is sales tax and discount. So please make sure before the next session you can try to solve the questions, the rest of the questions. If you still need help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? The next one is sales tax and discount 5.4. So let's just start with 5.4. Let's just start with the practice questions. Suppose you are in Flin Flon, Manitoba. Find a PST on each item. A pair of sunglasses that cost $15, a sunscreen that cost $8.99, a laser mouse that cost 21.99. You are a Flin Flon, Manitoba. What is this? Hold on. PST. Okay. PST is the provincial sales tax and GST is the goods and services tax, right? Okay, you are in Manitoba. Here it is. You can see from the table in Manitoba, PST is 7% and GST is 6%, right? Okay, so you have to calculate PST on each value, right? The A is a pair of sunglasses that cost 15%. So PST is 7% in Manitoba. So you have to calculate the 15% of the 7% of $15, right? So it would be 7 over 100 times 15. That is 15 times 7 is 105 divided by 100 is 1.05. That means the PST is on $15 you have to pay 1.05 PST, right? The correct option, the answer is 1.05. Got it? You have to calculate a 7% PST on B and C also, right? Okay, let's just start with question number 5. Suppose you are in Fort Simpson, Northwest Territories. Find the GST on each item. Okay, let's see in Fort Simpson what is the value of GST. Northwest Territories, you have no PST. Here it is, and GST is 6%, right? So in Northwest Territories, the GST is 6%. Let's calculate 6% GST on all the items in ABC, right? I'm going to calculate on a digital camera that cost $89.97. Just calculate 6% on $89.97, right? So it is 6 over 100 times 89.97. So 6 times 89.97, 539.82 divided by 100. That is $5.39, right? That means 6% is $5.39. Okay, long exercises. Okay, let's just start with question number 8. You can see the PST and GST values in the table, right? The table is on page 256. Okay, suppose you are in Iqaluit, Nunavut. Find each for each item, calculate the discount, calculate the sale price before tax, calculate the sale price including tax. Okay, the price is regular price is I think 89.99. Now 20% off. Okay, originally it is 89.99 and now it is 20% off. Just calculate the discount. You have to calculate 20% off 89.99, right? So it is 20 over 100 times 89.99. That would be zero point 0.2 times 89.99, and that equals $18. That means The discount is 18%. The discount is $18, right? Okay. The B part is calculate the sale price before taxes. Okay, $18 off on microwave. So originally it is 89.99 and now you have $18 off. So 18.99 minus 18 is 71.99. Got it? That means right after off it is 71.99. Got it? Okay, the C part is calculate the sale price including tax. You have to calculate the sale price including tax. So you have 6% tax on the items, right? So it would be 106. 100 plus 6 is 106% of 71.99. That is the tax, right? So it would be, just calculate 106 over 100 times 71.99. So it would be 76.31. That means the price including tax is 76.31, right? Okay, I have done all the parts for A1 2 3. You can do for the other two items, right? For the watch also. Okay, let's just start with question number 11. In a sale in Red Deer, Alberta, the price of blow dryer is marked down. What is the percent decrease? Calculate the sale price including tax. Okay, originally it was 18.98 and now it was 11.39. You have to calculate the percent decrease and the sales price including tax. 'Okay, originally it was 18.98 and price is decreased to 11.39. You have to calculate the value. It would be 18.98 minus 11.39. That is $7.59. That means the price is reduced by 7.59. You have to calculate the percent decrease. So it would be 7.59 divided by the original cost. 7.59 divided by 10.89. That means it is 0.401. You have to multiply it by the 100. That means you have the price is decreased by 40%. You have to calculate tax. So it is GST is 6%. So it would be the sales price including tax is 106% then. Just calculate 106% of 11.39. Got it? So let me just calculate. 106 divided by 100, 1.06 times 11.39, that is 12.07. That means the cost including tax is $12.07. That is sale price including tax, right? If you have any question you can ask. Okay, the next one is Okay, let's just do question number 17. Hold on. Okay, two identical lacrosse sticks are on sale at two stores in Dawson City. You can at Strictly Sports, the stick is on sale for 15% off. Its regular price is $45.99. At Sports City, the stick is on sale for 20% off. Its regular price is $49.99. Which store offers the better deal? How much would you save? Show your work. Okay, at Strictly Sports, it is 15% off. Regular price is 45.99. Okay. Okay, at Strictly store, price is 45.99, and it is 15% off, right? Okay, that means the sale price is 100 minus 15. That means 85%. So you have to calculate 85% of 45.99. So it is 85 over 100 is 0.85 times 45.99. That is 39.09. That means after off, the price is 39.09, right? Then at Sports City, price is $49.99, and it is 20% off, right? So sale price is 100 minus 20. That means you have to pay 80% of the original cost, right? Just calculate the 80% of the original cost. It is 80% of 49 point something, I think. 49.99. Okay, just calculate. It is 39.99, right? It is 39.09, and here it is 39.99. The question is, C part is, which is better? That means the Strictly store deal is better, because here it is 0.90% cheaper than this one, right? The difference between these two values is 0.90, right? That means on the Strictly store, the Strick is 0.90% cheaper than the Sports City, right? Okay. Let's just do question number 20. A skateboard in an is on sale for 30%. The taxes are 16%. What is the sale price of the skateboard including taxes? A student say 39.99, 30% discount plus 60 and the discount is 30%. That means we need to pay 70%, right? Just calculate 70% of 39.99. So it is 39.99 times 0.7. That is 27.99. That means you have to pay 27.99 of the original price. That is the sale price. Okay, now you have to calculate 16% tax, right? So it would be 100% plus 16. It would be 116%. Just calculate 116% of 27.99. Let me just calculate. 1.16 times 27.99, that would be 32.46. That means including tax the price is $32.46, right? Okay, a student say 39.99, 30% discounts and 16% taxes is same as calculating 39.99, 14%. Okay, just calculate 14% of 39.99. 14% of 39.99. Let's just calculate the value. 14, 0.14 times 39.99, that would be 5.56. So the sale price would be 39.99 and minus 5.56, that equals 34.39. This is more than the actual price including tax. The actual price is 32.46. So no, the student is incorrect, right? Then the student is incorrect. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on the chapter 5 from the book. We have covered two of the lessons today. They are from the chapter percent ratio and rate. The lessons we have covered are solving percent problems and sales tax and discount. So please make sure before the next session you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.